Yo, welcome back to Mishqa's cooking channel. So I know you're supposed to see you today, but anyway, it's your boy Ameer Hendricks, and Mishqa invited me over today because apparently we're making
Nachos.
Nachos. Okay, cool. I've never had it before, so I'm pretty keen to taste it.
They have cheese, lettuce, obviously I have salsa, guacamole, and some nachos.
Okay.
So basically you're going to be making some cheese today
That's great.
because you're getting alcohol for today. So let's get that on. I'll be chopping some lettuce. I can do half there and the other half with this. Okay.
So how much? That's all right. Okay, more?
This is so
Say it
delicious
over.
though.
Did you want more cheese?
More cheese. And that's the most easiest thing.
Really?
Yeah,
I would love it. Everything else
so you
just...
can basically do this. You can leave it over or whatever.
Okay, cheese.
To make nachos, like maybe if you have a game night or something, you can make, like it's quite a big serving for everyone.
You can make the nachos with that, okay? I'll just
Help me.
eat it. Is this enough cheese?
No, some more please.
More cheese?
Yeah. Just tomato in my nachos because I don't eat it.
Or like tomatoes?
Yeah, like nice, but it's optional though. You put it with vegetable.
Tomatoes are food.
Vegetable.
Tomatoes are food.
Okay.
Okay, that's surely enough cheese now.
That is enough cheese.
So I'm gonna-
Cheese and we're going to do mozzarella now. So basically 2 cheese. We're going to do
Cheese.
yeah.
Okay, so why do we need 2 cheese?
Because this is also like and it makes it super cheesy. I
Okay.
don't know how to explain.
You are cheesy in
Like
general.
me, like nachos are just supposed to be cheesy, like baby cheese. I love cheese, guys.
But is it like a different flavor?
Yeah,
I don't know about different cheeses when it's honest.
yeah, okay, so we're gonna do the basically it's just like nacho chips. You can buy it anywhere. I buy the chili flakes because I like it spicy.
Yo, that's nice actually. Actually, you always buy that like chili ones. Oh, next to it you said.
It doesn't really matter, but I just OCD. You do?
Yo,
Okay, so I'm the kind of just think because this is a salsa.
but I can't dance. I should just pop it off just like that.
While that's going, whoa!
And leave with the guacamole avocado.
So the guacamole gets put on at the end.
Okay, so while you're waiting for the salsa, you can explain to me something.
Okay.
Why do you like nachos?
I love
What do you like
nachos.
about them?
The cheesiness basically and the flavor and like the crisp and the crunch and like the fishes on the guacamole and like
So you like
balance
cheesy?
really well. Yeah.
And cheese?
You can't eat all the stuff right now, we
Let's take them long.
it's just basically warming it up. And then try to get it everywhere though. So you can get it cool over.
So you're taking 2 animals.
You can actually put the cheese
Can
on.
we do it like the
Yeah, you can.
salt?
Yes.
No, you gotta do it.
No,
It's your show.
you can do it. It's fine. Okay, so we're first gonna do this one.
Okay, so we're gonna go this one first and then we're going to the...
So we're just gonna put cheese all over.
No, imagine making food from this and that's so wonderful.
But like it's more like
That smells
if
nice.
you do it at home and then it's like more personalized and more homemade, it's always like flavor.
Alright, if you say so, cool.
Okay, so we're gonna pop this into the oven until the cheese is melted and put your oven on the grill. Okay. we're gonna take our lettuce. Where did our meat go, by the way? Oh, really?
Okay, so now
So
you're
the
gonna make
last-
your hands like you're praying.
Yeah, and then just put the lettuce over.
Say amen.
Amen.
Oh! Look here, I fought some tough people now, but
Exactly. Aren't you a fighter or something? Don't you have to wait?
there we go, guys.
Here we go. We got the guac open, guys. Okay, so we're just gonna
Yo,
top it like that. I love it though. And this is the chili one, so it's like
This is spicy.
tasty, yeah. So, and that's your final
And
product.
that's your final product back there.
And that's
So can I-
nacho.
Whose is this? Nachos.
This is for you. That you're gonna try, we have to try.
Yeah, but let's go.
Let's go.
So first we're gonna go with aesthetic. I'm gonna give it a solid 10 out of 10. And then, okay, and it smells really nice. Like I smelled it earlier in the oven video. I was like, yo, I'm going to taste this. But now how do I
With your hands, though.
like just
Just,
grab it and
yeah.
okay, let's go for it.
It's super cheesy.
Thank you. Okay.
So how is it? Okay, you can close like that. Fast forward.
That's really amazing. This is the first time I ever had nachos, like ever in my life. I did not know what to expect, but I gotta say it was actually really nice at first.
Thank you
I was
so
like
much.
confused with the flavor. I was like, there was chips in it, there was cheese in it, and it was an overwhelming sensation, but like a good feeling.
I'm glad this is a good
It
one.
was nice, it's actually nice. I think I'll just take this right here and I'll keep going. Cool.
Okay. Bye.
Sure. So again, be sure to like and subscribe. Drop a comment for the lovely Mishqa over here, and put that notification thing on, man. Check out what's coming next on the channel. And of course, you already know Ameer Hendricks. You know where my at, so it's Ameer_Hendricks on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Plugging because that's what I do best.
Thank you guys for watching my channel. See you next time. Bye.
Cool.